Hey everyone, it's Curious Clever here with the girlfriend.
Hi guys.
With another episode of our WedLink. So, any team changes that we want to make? I think my team's pretty good.
Yeah, I think we made all the changes we wanted to.
I think so. So where are we off to now?
I know there's a trainer we missed over here. Somewhere, or... Oh, the other way.
Oh.
Because you go down where the Pokemon's going.
Oh, right.
This guy. So look, we can get this totem sticker now. Yay! Oh, they couldn't animate that.
Now you can just hear it.
It's a little lame.
19, so we can almost get, didn't you say a totem Gumshoe's Eradicate that we're getting?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Not too bad. I think there's a total of 100 totem stickers. I think so. I don't know. I also don't even know what day this is supposed to be going up. Normally I keep track of these things.
What?
We got...
I don't know.
I can't remember.
I don't know, what line it up yesterday?
I don't know.
16?
Oh yeah, technically recording this, 17 is gonna be going up soon. So I got 17, 18, 20, 21, 22. Should be Friday?
We'll see.
I think it should be Friday. Spinnerack. Also, we're going to try... actually, Lady just evolved last episode.
Yep.
Bring out Lady.
And so did Bellwether.
Oh yeah, I forgot. So let's try to get a little cozier in without getting all of these cables stuck everywhere. Alright. I think after this I want a mug of milk. Alright, we're gonna try and bite the Spinnerack.
We just ate a really good lunch.
Yeah. It's about 5 o'clock right now too.
So, early dinner.
I'm going out to dinner later.
Pre-game dinner.
Alright, let's see how much takedown does. Let's go, Lady. How tough are you, Lady?
One tough lady.
Not bad.
Thank you.
Alright.
I have a feeling we're pretty much just not gonna check the Crabrawler bushes.
And we can check this one if you want.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's a Pokemon of mine. It's a Pokemon of mine. Watch there not be one for you.
I know, for once.
I don't know if I can see the little guy. So I can grab some berries.
Oh, a puppy.
Hopper's asleep. I gotta go to the PC after this. My defense fell.
That's not good.
Why not? Look at this. More revives. The revives are actually helping you out, so.
Yeah.
They're helping.
So lots
They're
of
helping some. Goodbye, Crawler.
Bye bye. And then for the core brawler encounter, I would say, since that one's a special one, it doesn't really matter that how the genders pair up.
Oh, we said that before.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I was just making sure. Oh hey, that guy moved now. Oh. Oh.
And face him. I feel like we should have a grinding montage, but we're just gonna face these trainers. We don't want to be too over leveled, but if we don't feel good enough before the next trial, we'll definitely do a level grinding before that.
Mm-hmm.
I just forgot. I said I was going to heal.
Yep.
Hopper just needs to wake up. What?
It's a little 24 still book.
Oh, that
Ruh-roh.
might not be good.
Nope, I'm about to let Drayton take care of this.
I'm starting with Archimedes.
Good idea.
Archimedes is level 25 too. I'll let you know what the second one is.
Mm-hmm. No, Triton, wake up. Wake up.
You were cutting that close.
It was a crit. I was already planning on healing this turn anyways.
And you know he hasn't used his Z move yet either.
No, it's probably on his other proc. Now it's confused and asleep.
The psychic doesn't affect dark types, right? Right?
Yeah, Dark's immune to psychic.
Keep using confusion. Bam, and he's like, I'm unaffected. And then we got quick attack.
No.
Oh. And then we got quick attack. Mini with that quick attack. Taking out a level 24 at only 15. Lady is 17. Little brother is 20 and wants to learn refresh. Well, guess what? You don't need a refresh. Dang, everyone's leveling up here. Rain dance. Nah, Evangeline, I don't think you know rain dance. Mr. Mime.
Think he has the Psyche MZ?
Probably. Here's the thing, do I just keep in Mini? Because Mini's only 15 though.
Yeah, but immunity.
But if it has any other moves.
If it's fairy, that's bad.
You know, Mr. Mime isn't a fairy type.
Hmm?
We'll see right now. Ow. Ow. Oh my goodness, but I did nothing. See, it's got double
Because
slap.
it's also fairy type.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, psychic and fairy.
Oh.
That's why I was suggesting that it might have the fairies move.
If it did, Minnie would have been dead.
Yeah.
I don't know if I have anything to take care of this.
Wake up!
Heal
Oh,
up
the wake up
Archimedes.
and snapping out of confusion. Thank you.
It's got light screen and reflect and double slap. So far, those are the 3 moves. And he died.
Nope, who's dead now?
Celia.
Dang it.
No, Minnie! I thought it was only gonna hit twice. I was like, oh, we can live that, switch in Archimedes.
Oh, Celia leveled up, not that that matters.
Oh, it's Psywave's his other one. Man. This is going to be tough. I did nothing. Reflect more off.
What is the light screen?
Here's your Z light screen.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't think I'm gonna lose anyone else, Archimedes. I just got this. Oh, crit.
That was a triple slap, not a double slap.
Exactly, that's why Minnie went down.
Can't triple slap a double slap.
Hopper wants to learn acrobatics? What?
Hey! Hey! Hey!
5
Hey.
times. I don't think we
Oh
knew.
my goodness.
I don't think we didn't learn acrobatics though.
That's a good team. That's a good movie game.
What is?
Acrobatics.
I know, but I don't think Hopper needs it. We've got Archimedes. We've got nature power. Alright, I gotta go heal. And drop off Minnie.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to drop off Celia.
Now we gotta figure out who else we want.
What was that? I wasn't looking. I did not see. That took a lot more than I would have liked.
I wasn't paying attention.
Ooh, nice avoid trading.
Alright. You know, we're back up to like 8 deaths.
Happens. That was a true double slap.
Wait, Gothel died? Oh yeah. Because of Big Ball.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot. I forgot a lot of these this time I didn't lose. Like, I lost Lasu. And then Minnie. The rest are your fault.
Yeah.
Are we gonna get a new encounter though? Should we save a space for a new encounter?
Yeah.
Because right now all I've got is
Because we won't have to grind up much.
Ryan, Jessica, Becky. Why are all my like real names? Ryan, Jessica, Becky. We got Iridessa and Thor. Alright.
Wait, so who are we?
I kind of just want to keep it open. I think I'm gonna buy some more super potions though.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm running low, but I don't think I have enough to feel safe.
So many dead.
I have 30. I'm gonna buy 10 more. Great balls. I'll buy 6 more to have 10. That should be fine. Alright, then where are we off to? I have enough for, I have 40 super potions. I used up all my potions. Potions aren't really helpful to me anymore. I spent like half your money. No, less than half. Alright, I'm ready to go. I don't know where I'm supposed to go next. Maybe we can sell it later. Where are we supposed to go? Oh, come on. We're already at like 17 minutes in. We can sell later on.
Okay.
I don't know where we're supposed to go. There's no like little flags. Oh, the Sudo Wudu.
Oh yeah.
That's probably where we gotta go.
But look, the guy mowed. So I was wondering.
We already went up that way though.
Oh, right.
Because we went up that way and then How and
we went around
Gladion were up there.
Yeah.
And then just take off. Ooh! Wait, those are Pokemon? I totally forgot they were just. I totally thought they were just plants.
These Sudowoodo are fascinating Pokemon as well, worthy of being a research topic all on their own.
Calm yourself, Elsie. Those must have been the Pokemon known as Sudowoodo.
The way they mimic plants in order to avoid water. How very interesting.
Most interesting Pokemon? I wish I could research them further.
Just as our research suggested, Captain Fico.
They must be mimicking plant life in an attempt to avoid their weakness. Water.
Indeed, we must gather data about Pokemon if we want to win Pokemon battles after all.
These Alolan Pokemon, they're all so unique. It's truly fascinating.
That being said, there is no need for us to use these odd Alolan Pokemon.
But battling them is not easy.
So Liera, if you would be so kind.
So I challenge you with one we are accustomed to. Hoipole?
Trainer, could I ask you to face me in a Pokemon battle?
I knew it! You just can't challenge people like that. Sorry, miss, but do you... or Miss Trainer, but do you think a battle would be okay?
Okay. Poipole. Then I will face you with my Poipole.
I will warn you now, Hoipole cannot be found anywhere in Alola.
That's UB. I forget which one, but Poipole is a new UB. Adhesive?
I think it is.
Yeah. I noticed the beast ball this time. Poipole! Oh, I forgot what type it is. Poison. I know it's poison.
It's level 20.
Shoot! Let's try a charge beam.
I'm gonna try my Z move on it.
Meta shock.
X defense.
It's level 20.
I'm trying my Z move on it. Probably just gonna knock it down a decent amount.
I don't have anybody with a Z move. No.
Where did you give it to?
I
You just got the
forgot.
water one.
I forgot.
I just like Archimedes having it because Archimedes is the strongest one. At least you don't have the fairy typing yet.
Yeah.
I did nothing.
Just slow this sucker down. It has charm. Okay, okay.
I'm afraid I might use Archimedes. Okay. As long as there's no crit, I think we're fine.
Why Paul's so cute?
Ominous wind! For the win. Oh, I thought you froze it. What move was that?
Icy wind?
Oh. Alright. Archimedes leveled up. Lady's 18. Evangeline's 19. That's all.
I've only seen Venoshock and Charm so far.
I only saw Venoshock. And that's a 3-8 KO on Archimedes. If he wasn't like 25, he would have got knocked out. It would have been a 2-8 KO. We had 2 more icy winds that should knock it out. Like I said, luckily Brion doesn't have doesn't have fairy typing yet, exactly.
Bye bye, Paul.
Yeah. That wasn't too tough, but that was still tough to avoid. Yeah. So I failed to understand people. They still only give us 240?
Yeah.
I must research the reason for my defeat.
Thank you very much.
Use the power ring. It's so pretty when it shines like that.
I was able to understand Poipole better, but it seems my Pokemon battle skills leave much to be desired.
What are you suggesting? That it might be like the beautiful light our ancestors once saw?
That Z-Power ring of yours, its light feels somehow nostalgic.
How should I know?
Do you think it is the same light our ancestors gazed upon? The light said to have come from the Blinding One?
See you around, trainer.
Who can tell? Yet it is our duty as the Ultra Recon Squad to find that out.
So, I was like, why does my screen look a lot darker than yours? Is it because... Should I turn my brightness up?
I don't think the brightness affects it.
Huh? We'll see. Anyway, I think we're gonna end the episode here because we're at like 24 minutes, and I think if we get into any dialogue, it's gonna be a bit more. So I'm gonna save it here. We can get our episode being about 24-25 minutes for you guys. Probably about 24. But that's gonna be it. Didn't manage to see Poipole today.
Pretty cool.
But that's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to leave a like if you guys did. I lost many along the way, sadly. Hoping to get a new team member in the beginning of the next episode. But see you guys all next time. Thank you for watching. Cleffa is out.